Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss the topic called data structure. Okay. So what is the definition of data is? It is organizing with the raw facts for the processed data in the system. So what exactly the data structure definition tells? It is the organizing and storing the data in a proper manner. That is in the data structure. Okay. So when you go to the data structure, so the data structure will be divided into two types. Mainly it is divided into two types. One is primitive. And second one is non-primitive. So the data structure is divided into two types. One is primitive data structure, second one is the non-primitive data structure. So what are the primitive data structures are? One is integer, second one is character, third one is float, and fourth one is the pointer. So as we already discussed integer, character, float and the pointer in the first year syllabus. Okay, these are called primitive. Next, second comes non-primitive. In the non-primitive there are three types. One is arrays, and second one very important, that is lists. Third one is files. So very important, we are learning in the data structures are arrays, lists and files. Okay, as earlier in the previous year we discussed what is arrays, and here arrays are three types. You already know, that is one dimensional and two dimensional, and third one is multi-dimensional. Okay, so arrays are classified into three types: one dimensional, two dimensional and multi-dimensional. When you go for the list, so in the data structures, lists are again divided into two types. Okay, so very important, we are learning these lists. Lists are again divided into two types, that is linear and non-linear list. Linear and non-linear. Linear and non-linear lists. So in the data structure, very important topics we are learning is linear and non-linear. So in the linear list, there is again it is divided. One is called stack, and second one is queue, and third one is linked list. And in the non-linear, it is there are two types. One is trees, and second one is the graph. Okay. So very important topic we are going to learn in the data structure is lists, and we already studied the arrays, but still in this data structure again they are giving how one dimensional array is specified, two dimensional array is specified, and how the representation means memory representation of one dimensional and two dimensional. In the list, very important, we are learning linear and non-linear. In the linear, you have to remember linear having three. One is a stack, queue and linked list. Non-linear, trees and graphs. So in the coming videos, we will see how exactly the lists are classified, that is stack. So what are the operations on the stack, and what are the operations on the queue, and what are the operations on the linked list. And very important, you are learning here some algorithms based on this stack and queue, and also some trees and graphs. Okay, that is non-linear. So this is how the basic classification of data structure. Again I will repeat, data structure will be divided into mainly two types: primitive, non-primitive. primitive will be very easy, that is integer, character, float and pointer. We already discussed this in the first year classes. Second one is the non-primitive. Whatever you are learning in the data structure topic, data structure chapter, this is non-primitive. In the non-primitive, it is again divided into three types: arrays, lists and files. Okay. So arrays, earlier in the first PUC we discussed one dimensional, two dimensional and multi-dimensional. Again they are giving here in the one dimensional how you have to represent, how you have to calculate, how you have to make the memory representation of one dimensional, two dimensional, okay, and the multi-dimensional is just the definition. And very important is the lists. Lists are divided into two: linear, non-linear. In the linear, one is a stack, queue and linked list. Based on these three, we are learning the algorithms and also the program. And in the non-linear, trees and graphs. Third one, it is also the file. These are the different chapters which are learning in the file handling system. Okay. This is the basic classification of data structure. In the coming videos, we discuss again in detail about this lists, arrays and also the files. Thank you.